How to create a wanted poster generator, part 1. So, first, let's make sure you have 2 libraries installed. Those would be OpenCV and Pillow. I would include tkinter and OS here, however, it comes shipped with every installation of Python. The way to install these libraries would be opening your terminal on Windows and typing in the following lines. Oh, by the way, before we start, if mine looks different than yours, to avoid downloading duplicates on my PC, I'm using a virtual environment. Now, type in, if you're on Windows, pip install opencv-python. And then, once that's all installed, pip install Pillow. Now, once you have those installed, let's open up your IDE of choice. Most people use Visual Studio Code, but since I like the pre-built virtual environments made in PyCharm, we're gonna go with that. When that's all started, we're gonna make 4 files. They will be called main.py, postercompiler.py, webcam.py, and accessories.py. Right now, let's just start by opening up the main py and importing the tkinter and OS libraries at the top. And just for now, add a print statement that says, yeehaw! And that's it for this beginning tutorial. Join us next time where we'll start building the main py and poster compiler script out. If you'd like to see a complete version of this, you can check it out on my GitHub, located in the description below. Subscribe!